Students, welcome to the chemistry session. Here we are discussing the part of biomolecules. It is nothing but one of the main principal aspect. It is a main aspect of principles of biomolecules. It is what? Main aspect of the principles of biomolecules, that is the nucleic acids. So before that, going toward the nucleic acid, we know this is what is the nucleic acid, and this is the most important phenomenon. This is the genetic characteristic is transferred, or you can say this is the generation of each and every species resemble its ancestor. As you can say, resemble its ancestors in a number of paths or number of ways. The genetic characteristic is transmitted from one generation to the next generation. It is due to what? Nucleus of the living cells, and this is the characteristic is called as heredity. So the inherent character is transmitted, as we can say the particles of the nucleus in living cells, the particles of the nucleus in nucleus of the cell, it is responsible for the heredity, and it is called as chromosome. As we can say, the chromosome is made from the protein and nucleic acid. So the nucleic acid, it is nothing but what? A long chain polypeptide. So this is what? A long chain polypeptide. This is nothing but what? A nucleic acid. As we can say, this is the longest or long chain polypeptide. I can say this is the polypeptide, long chain polymer. As you can say, this is the polymer of long chain polypeptide. So this is nothing but what? DNA and RNA. Which you can see, this is the DNA and the RNA. So that is the concept. These are having, this is the two nucleic acid. The part of this is the dinucleic. This is the ribonucleic acid and the deoxyribonucleic acid. So this is nothing but what? Deoxyribonucleic acid, and this is nothing but what? Ribonucleic acid. So this is nothing but ribonucleic acid and ribose. This concept is coming from the ribose. As you can say, this is the phenomenon. This is the aldopentoses. As you can say, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that is nothing but what? Ribose. The types of the compound is nothing but aldoses. So this aldoses having, this is the aldopentose. As you can say, this is what? Aldopentose. The first, this is the revolution of the biology, to the what? This is nothing but what? A revolution of the biology, and by this is done by this one of the scientists name, this is what? Watson. As you can say, this is the James D. Watson. James D. Watson for the revolution, starting of the revolution, the part of the DNA and the RNA. So this is the one of the phenomenon have been explained as a part of dinucleo. This is the deoxynucleic acid, deoxyribonucleic acid. As you can say, this is the deoxyribonucleic acid. So in this is it got the bonds. In this bond, इसका bond हुआ था 1928. Was the bond in 1928 in Chicago. So this is the bond in 1928 in Chicago. So who has got the Nobel Prize in 1962? Who has got the Nobel Prize in 1962 as according to the work who have been explained the structural arrangement. This is the double helix structure as far as they explain the structure of DNA. So this is what? James Watson. The name is nothing but James D. Watson, who got the Nobel Prize in 1962 as work discovered. This is what? Helical structure. So that is nothing but what? Double helical structure of the DNA. So that is the DNA which are having, this is the parts of this nucleoside and nucleotide. So that is what is mean by nucleoside and what is mean by nucleotide. तो उसने क्या बताया? DNA एक डबल हेलिक्स स्ट्रक्चर होता है. So that is the two concept which is arises. So this is the ribonucleic acid, ribose or the ribose. This concept is coming from the ribose. Because of this is the basic scaffold, we know that this is the aldopentose. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this types of the example is aldopentose. So this aldopentose which are having, this is the base, we are the hydroxy group is here, hydrogen atom, hydroxy group is here. So that is nothing but part of, this is the D, beta D, which can say this is the beta D, the carbon atom number 2. So that is beta D ribose. So beta D ribose, as you can say, this is the next example, as you can say, this is the ribose structure. A representation of this is the ribose, this is what CH2OH. As you can say, this is the hydroxy group is here, but 2 hydrogen atom is here. So that is the 2 hydrogen atoms on the second carbon atoms. So that's why this name is what, a beta D what, this is deoxy. As you can say, deoxy ribose. So this is the structure of the beta D deoxy ribose. When it called the nucleoside and when it called the nucleotide. इसको न्यूक्लियोसाइड कब कहेंगे, न्यूक्लियोटाइड कब कहेंगे. So the before that we are having, this is the number of this carbon atoms, this is the riboside, ribose and deoxyribose, carbon number 1 2 3 4, and this one is 5 carbon. So as you can see, this carbon number 1 2 2 3 carbon, number 4 carbon and 5 carbon atoms. So here when we call this is the nucleoside and when we call it is a nucleotide. So instead of hydroxy group, where this is the presence of the base, यहाँ पे base होता है. So this is the presence of, this is the base, यहाँ पे base होता है, लेकिन थर्ड कार्बन पे क्या होता है, फॉस्फेट ग्रुप होता है. P double bond O single bond O. So this is nothing but again the phosphate group is here. So these types of the example, as you can, this is one of the hydroxy group is here, only hydroxy group. This is nothing but a nucleotide. तो यहाँ पे ये nucleotide हुआ. So this is what a nucleotide, and one of the another is a nucleoside. What do you mean of nucleoside? When this carbon atom first, तो यहाँ पे first carbon पे base होता है, तो ये होता है हमारा nucleoside. So this is nothing but what, a nucleoside. So nucleoside, and this is nothing but what, a nucleotide. So this part of this is presence of the DNA part, as you can say, study of the DNA, the double helix structures. As a representation, this is what, ATGC, and you can say this is the AUGC. The part of the base is present. Which types of the base? It is adenine, guanine, cytosine, adenine, guanine, thiamine, cytosine. Such types of the nitrogen containing heterocycle base present at one position to the ribose. That's why it is known as a nucleoside. एक कार्बन पे बेस प्रेजेंट होता है, अडेनाइन या गुआनाइन या साइटोसिन या थायामाइन, तो उसको न्यूक्लियोसाइड कहते हैं. न्यूक्लियोटाइड कब कहते हैं? बेस है, एक पोजीशन पे बेस होगा, लेकिन 5 पोजीशन पे, एक पोजीशन पे बेस है, 5 पोजीशन पे phosphate group है. So the phosphate group is present, it is most, that is nothing but nucleotide. अब इसमें डाई न्यूक्लियोटाइड की कंसेप्ट आती है. तो डाई न्यूक्लियोटाइड क्या कंसेप्ट है? सो दैट वन ऑफ द ऑक्सीजन एटम, हाइड्रोजन एटम इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय, दिस इज द फॉस्फेट ग्रुप. So this is the representation again, what a similar way of the ribose is here, and this is nothing but one position पे base होगा, 3 पोजीशन पे फॉस्फेट होगा, 3 पोजीशन पे फॉस्फेट होगा, 5 पे भी फॉस्फेट होगा, तब उसको क्या कहते हैं? सो दैट इज द डाई न्यूक्लियोटाइड. तब उसको डाई न्यूक्लियोटाइड कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? डाई न्यूक्लियोटाइड. एंड एज वी नो दैट डाई न्यूक्लियोटाइड concept which is having what? Double helix structure, DNA, as you can say, dinucleus ribose, dinucleus, this is not DNA, this is इसमें क्या होता है? So this presence of what, a double helix, this is the representation is what, a double helix. So this is nothing but the part of the position number 3 and 5, position number 3 and 5 and as a base and the phosphate. ये phosphate group है पोजीशन नंबर 3 पे, पोजीशन नंबर 5 पे ribose, D-ribose pair. So that is the presence of these types of the bonding connectivity, and which are having the presence of GC and AT. So the G triple bond C and A double bond T, G triple bond C and A double bond T, the bonding connectivity between G and C, A और T के बीच में. एडेनाइन थायामाइन गुआनाइन साइटोसिन, एडेनाइन थायामाइन गुआनाइन साइटोसिन, गुआनाइन साइटोसिन ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, एडेनाइन थायामाइन डबल बॉन्ड. So this is nothing but DNA dinucleotide structure of this is nothing but what a double helix. So that is what a double helix structure of DNA. So as we have been discussed the part of here the nucleic acid, as we know that this is the nucleic acid is nothing but a concept. This is the part of the heredity chromosome. So this chromosome actually it is made from the proteins and nucleic acid. As we have been discussed the part of the proteins are the condensation product of the amino acid. But in here the part of this is the nucleic acid. This is the nothing but a longest polymer types polypeptide chains. This is long chain polymer polypeptides. So this is nothing but nucleic acid.